Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Sneak in Some Science with Miss Mercury. So on today's episode, that's strange. I'm getting a FaceTime call on my device here. Hello?
Hi, is this Miss Mercury?
Yeah, this is Miss Mercury.
Are you a science enthusiast?
I am a science enthusiast.
We wanted to share something with you today.
Oh my gosh, are you guys science enthusiasts too?
Sure. You
Oh.
can say that.
This is so exciting.
Sounds like there's an episode takeover. I'll wash my hands of this.
Today we're going to make elephant toothpaste. Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm from Virginia, and I'm a rising 5th grader.
Hi, my name is Niki, and I am also from Virginia, and I'm a rising 6th grader.
Niki, will you please tell us the materials we'll need?
You will need 16 ounces of hydrogen peroxide, 2 plastic spoons, 2 little cups, 2 bowls of warm water, fast rising yeast, and food coloring is optional. You'll also need some dish soap, and 1/4 of a cup and 1/2 of a cup. And also sunglasses, or safety glasses.
Let's talk about the procedure. First, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide solution into the containers.
Next, you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of dishwashing soap into your container.
Add as much food coloring as you want. Swirl the bottles around
To mix the ingredients.
in a separate container. Mix warm water and a packet of yeast.
You're going to want to fill the containers up about halfway with water.
Now we're going to stir it.
You're going to want to wait 5 minutes after you stir it.
Always wear your safety glasses.
And make sure you have a pan around it during these experiments. Your final step is to pour the yeast into the container with hydrogen peroxide and dish soap.
Niki, are you ready?
Yes.
That's okay.
What's happened? What happened?
This is not what I expected.
I think we waited for the yeast. I think we waited too long for the yeast. Well, at least it's foaming a little. I just wish it went.
Or,
Yeah, that'd be really
it
cool.
is, but very slow.
time with that. And I just like spraying it around, and I don't care if it did, I just had fun.
Well, I enjoyed getting it all over my knee. Science is fun.
Back to you, Miss Mercury.
Wow, Emma, Nikki, I can't believe it. You guys are truly science enthusiasts. And let me just make a note. It's not that big of a deal that your elephant toothpaste kind of fizzled a little bit. That's what scientists do all the time. That's the best part about being a scientist. It's that it's not like you do something one time and then completely figure it out. You can actually do it again and again. Now, maybe you guys didn't have enough time. It looks like you wanted to have some fun in the sprinklers. So I thought I would actually gather some of the same items and see if I can't note the things that you want to change about your experiment and see if I can do them. Because that's what real scientists do. They take the data from other scientists and they try to improve it. So let me see if I can't take some of the adjustments you wanted to do and make elephant toothpaste here in the studio. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna mimic what you science enthusiasts just did at your house. Let's see if I can't fix up and rearrange some of the thoughts that you had of some things to change about your experiment. Let's see if I can't get a different result. So first I'm gonna start with a container. I'm also just gonna go ahead and place it, because I'm inside, I'm gonna place it in this bowl. And while just to save some time, I'm gonna start with my yeast mixture. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of yeast and about 2 tablespoons, give or take, of water, warm water, which we'll talk about later. And give it a little stir. Ooh, I can feel this container getting warm. There's a reaction happening for sure. Ooh, it's not too hot, but it's definitely getting a little warm there. Okay, and let's set up our container in here. So we're gonna be adding our hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna be adding the 6% solution. So it's about 2 inches. And I'm gonna be adding a splash of dish detergent. And then finally, let's add some food coloring. Swirl. Want to be careful not to mix the yeast mixture yet. Ready? We'll give it a countdown, okay? A 3, 2, 1 countdown. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not a fast reaction. Ooh, it's coming up. It's coming up. Slow and steady. So what are we really doing? Well, this is called a chemical change or a chemical reaction. And in this chemical reaction, we've taken that hydrogen peroxide, which has a combination of hydrogen and oxygen in it. And then we use something called a catalyst. A catalyst is something that helps speeds up a reaction. The catalyst in our experiment was yeast. And basically, it helped the oxygen molecules break away from the hydrogen peroxide solution. Look how high those bubbles are getting so far. There probably are a few things that we could have done to make it even faster. Can you think of any things we could have done to make it faster? At first, when we felt the bottle, it was a little warm to the touch. That's because it's causing what's called an exothermic reaction, which is basically just a chemical reaction that releases energy through light or heat. In this case, it was all heat. So we're going to keep on seeing this foam until all of the hydrogen peroxide has been broken down into water and oxygen. I better start cleaning this guy up. All right, so our investigation really didn't turn out as exciting and as explosive as we planned. That sometimes happens. We see things online that look fabulous and amazing, and then we try them out and womp womp. But at least we tried it, and we tried something different. So Emma and Niki, I'm proud of you, and I'm glad that I got to try it myself. So there are plenty of things that we can do to adjust this. I'll put those in my notebook, and I will think about it for next time. So we always love to end our episodes on a positive note. Well, coming up soon is Father's Day. I want to make sure that you reach out to the fathers, the dads, the like-a dads, the poppies, the papas, all of those people in your life that have made such a wonderful difference to you, and let them know. You can write a thank you note, you can simply just share a message, you can give them a call. There are so many things that you can do to let them know that you are grateful that they are a part of your life. Thanks to my dad, who's always given me some great advice. Thank you, Dad. Thanks so much for joining our episode of Sneak in Some Science with Miss Mercury. I'll catch you later. Bye.
Own whole packet.
Just rip it open from the side, Em.
Yeah, it's like a little side thing.
I don't see it.
There's not a...
We need to...
Mine are connected.
Manual.